Today's date is April 30th, 2023, and I'm finally getting down. I got to dig this all out right here and over there. So I'm just trying an experiment right now. I'm pulling these ropes in right there to suck this over right here. So anyway, we'll see if this works. Well, I'm trying something else. I tried some other arrangements, and I need the leverage from up there. This is too close, but I'm going to put this all thread through there. I just got through drilling this right here, and there's a hole over in that. I'm going to try and scooch it over a little this way, that way, this way. But I don't know how successful that's going to be. But anyway, I'm going to see if we can screw it over. So that's what's up next. Well, I got the all thread in there. So now I'm going to be tightening this up. I'm just getting this so when I start digging out here, this won't fall down the hill. And I guess it tore this up pretty good. I just noticed underneath there where it lifted everything from my deck. So I may have to just take it all apart again. That's going to be a bummer. Anyway, that's what I'm trying now. Okay, I don't know how well I got that all dug out down there at the base of this post. So now I'm going to suck up this all thread. Should pull this all over. So I got a few cranks to go. So anyway, I think I should be able to pull that over now. I gotta dig out on over here, right here, so I'm gonna dig that out some. Anyway, I'm getting close to getting this up, I hope. Well, it's coming up. It's taken a long time. It's like a quarter turn per ratchet, but it's gradually coming up. We'll see how it. I got to get these brick in. I might just put this off until the rest of tomorrow morning or something like that. Anyway, it seems to be doing its job. So the all thread idea ended up being the best one. So I think I'm going to put this off until tomorrow morning. Well, I'm going to call this finished. I've got it all the way back up, and it's relatively straight. It's kind of high on this end, I think, when the tractor picked it up or whatever. So I got to cut this all thread right here. It's resting on the decorative brick right there. So I guess staining is coming up next. So anyway, that's the trash house. So I'm going to go get my Sawzall and cut that bolt and wash this down, and I guess I'll work on the curb tomorrow. The light seems to be working pretty good. I got to straighten these trees out here too. So anyway, the trash house is no longer an eyesore, and that'll be a wrap.